Julius Ogamba, Minister wa Githomo, augite mutaratara uyu wa arutwo guthoma kuhitukira mitambo ni ukuhuthiria arutwo thogora wa mathomo. Mawoni maria manyititwo mbaru ni murugamiriri wa kanjo ya ma university Ezra Maritim.
The Open University is established under the Universities Act, and it is one of those universities that are going to assist us ensure that students who are not able because of such things as costs to join the main universities get the education they require from the Open University of Kenya.
The target is achievable. One, what you require to achieve that number is create quality programs, invest in quality programs. Once you invest in quality programs, the quality programs will attract students' numbers. That's how you are going to achieve. And in the process, you also reduce the cost. Because the more the numbers, the less the cost, or operational cost. More so if you are on technology-based institutions.
Matanya ma thirikari kuringana na Minister Ogamba ni gukorwo na arutwo kothi cia moko matanyiheire milioni 2 kuma kuri aria mariho 370.
We are working with the national government officer Ngao to ensure that we market our programs in the various barazas and the various homes so that people can come and join the TVET institutions to learn the hands-on skills that are required in the market, and so we are raising that number to 2 million by the end of this year.
Ogamba aritie hindi ya kigomano gia kanjo ya ma university mwena wa Naivasha kuria ugite thirikari ni iheanite hari gutuithania mathire maria magumeire macukuru ma university cia muingi guku bururi-ini. Ngiribotera Inoro TV, jetagwo Ani Ngige Wanyamo.